Let's check what's my Moto display is currently off. Okay, now let's check whether the notification light blinks on unread notifications or not. Okay, let me give a missed call to this phone. Okay, so here's the missed call, and here I lock the screen. The notification light is blinking. It's blinking green colored. Okay, now let's check this thing. Let's clear the notifications, all notifications. Now I turn on the Moto display. Okay, the Moto display has been turned on. Now I lock the screen. Now I can verify this, the display is on, Moto display is on. Now let's again give a missed call to this phone. Okay, the Moto display is on. Now let's the light get dismissed automatically. Okay, light has been gone. Now I can see notifications on the Moto display, but no notification light is blinking. Yeah, you can see. So we need this feature in the Moto display also. Now, and I can also give a brief view on my installed apps. Here you can see my installed apps. I don't have any type of any such kind of. You can check the apps. I'm scrolling slowly. Yeah, I've installed so many apps, but you can check where if you have any problem, if you see any problem. I don't have any third-party app for notification light or something like that, or I do have done anything wrong with my phone. This problem is occurring with every Moto E4 device. That's why. Here the all apps are completed. So this is my video. You told me to upload it, and please make say your developers to work upon this. The notification light is not blinking on the Moto display, but just blinking when the Moto display is off. So please give this thing to the developers. Say this thing to the developers.